Today we will show you how to install cordless honeycomb blends. First, install the selected L11 spring box into the head rail. Right in the middle, insert the spring box positioning column into the fixing hole of the headrail. And fixed with M4 10mm screws. Then install the cord base into the head rail. One side of the box spring. Pay attention to the direction when loading. The iron core is embedded outward. Dig a square hole. The cord base is also placed on the other side of the spring box. The head rail part of the curtain is installed. Then put the cords reserved on both sides of the spring. Penetrate the cord base separately. Thread the honeycomb curtain fabric into the head rail. Insert the pin into the honeycomb curtain fabric from the bottom. Thread to the cord base. Thread the remaining thread into the lead wire hole. Use a pin to run the thread through the fabric. Repeat operation. Threading complete. Pre-pull the threads on both sides by 20 cm. Secure the spring box with pins. After pre-pulling, buckle the stem and leaf lines into it. Wrap 2 to 3 turns near the bottom of the fabric. The length reserved on both sides should be the same. Unplug the pin. Align card slot. Thread the underrail of the curtain into the other end of the honeycomb curtain fabric. Installation complete. Fixed on the test rack for debugging. Results show.